everybody. I am coming to you with a new art idea, and we're carrying on our idea of taking things from the yard, using your own backyard for your inspiration for your art supplies. And what I have done is spelled out the word love. So I went looking through the sticks, looking at the trees, trying to find different letters that I could find. So like, for example, this stick right here, it's got a lot of good joints on it, but if I look at it and do some trimming, I could turn this stick maybe into a Y or a K. There's different things I could do. So I think I'm going to turn it into a Y. So I'm going to take some clippers here and cut this off. You might can break it off if it's a stick that's been on the ground for a while and is a little moist from all the rain or kind of rotted. But what's great about this is these are kind of not perfect. They're imperfect. So they're from nature. Off, and I'm going to leave a little bit of a tail so that I have an end to tie it to. So I'm going to wrap it around the back side and come diagonally across, so I'm making like an X each time. That's going to help hold it in place. So you can play around. There's no really right or wrong way to do this. So if you don't want to do it this way, you don't have to. You can do it any way you want, really. That's what's fun about these kind of projects, is it's up to you and how you decide to solve the problems with the sticks and the yarn and wire or ribbon, glue, hot glue, whatever you want to use to try to attach them to make your letters. So I've got that tied there. I kind of like having the fibers of the yarn just kind of sticking out. Makes it look even more creative, I think. But if you want it to be nice and neat, you could tuck the ends, the tails, inside the yarn. You just poke them down in there and make them hide. And the goal is to take different colors and start putting them together so that you have some stick showing, maybe other parts of the stick is not showing. And instead of applying paint, we're using the yarn to wrap around, which makes it really cool and different. Alright, so I have here my finished project. It's a sign. Like I said, you don't have to spell out a word like love or peace or hope. You can always do your name, and you can hang it on the door to your bedroom or anywhere you might want to make something special. So as you see, I just tied little strings on the top and used a tack to hang my letters, and I hope you enjoy making this project because I sure had fun doing it.